Hello everyone. In this video, we will be implementing the NGX-DROPZONE library in an Angular project. NGX-DROPZONE is an easy-to-use and customizable library for handling file drag-and-drop events. It allows you to add drag-and-drop file upload functionality to your Angular application with minimal setup. Step 1. Install NGX-DROPZONE. To get started, we need to install the NGX-DROPZONE library in our Angular project. We can do this by running the following command in the terminal. Step 2. Import the library in the app module. Once the library is installed, we need to import it in our app module. We can do this by adding the following line of code at the top of the file. And then, we need to add the library in the imports array of the ng module decorator like this. Step 3. Use the DROPZONE component in the template. Now that we have imported the library, we can use the DROPZONE component in our template. We can do this by adding the following code to the template file. Step 4. Create event handlers. The added file and remove file events are emitted when a file is added or removed from the DROPZONE. We need to create event handlers for these events in our component file to handle the files. We can do this by adding the following code to our component file. Step 5. Customize the DROPZONE. We can customize the appearance and behavior of the DROPZONE by passing in options to the component. For example, we can change the text displayed when no files are selected by using the following code. That's it. We have successfully implemented the NGX-DROPZONE library in our Angular project. We can now handle file drag and drop events in our application with ease. If you have any questions or feedback, please leave a comment below.